Welcome to the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at the Siaya National Polytechnic, where sparks of potential ignite powerful lifelong careers. Are you ready to electrify your future? At the Siaya National Polytechnic, we cultivate highly skilled professionals in power systems, electronics, telecommunications, and instrumentation. Our programs equip you with cutting-edge knowledge and practical expertise to excel in a rapidly evolving technological landscape.
Yes, I'm Engineer George Onyango Ogega, the HOD Electrical and Electronics Engineering of Siaya National Polytechnic. At Siaya National Polytechnic, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department is one of the technical department which has 480 students as per now.
Whether your ambition is to install and maintain electrical systems, manage power distribution networks, design telecommunication infrastructure, or specialize in electronics and instrumentation, our curriculum blends rigorous theoretical foundations with extensive practical training, preparing you to stand out in the industry.
In the department, we have a number of courses: biomedical engineering level 6, biomedical engineering level 5. We have also electrical engineering power option level 6, level 5, level 4, and level 3. Telecommunication engineering level 6 and level 5. Instrumentation and control engineering level 6, level 5, level 4 and level 3. Solar technology level 6, level 5 and level 4. We've also industrial mechatronics technology level 6, level 5 and level 4. We also have robotics and control engineering level 5 and level 6. Then lastly, we have wireman for grade 3, grade 2, and grade 1.
Supporting every step of your journey is our dedicated team of experienced trainers, fully committed to mentoring, guiding, and equipping you to tackle real-world engineering challenges with confidence. At the Siaya National Polytechnic, you do more than study. You develop in-demand industry-ready skills, and upon graduation, you will be well prepared to thrive in power distribution, electrical installation, telecommunications, electronics manufacturing and maintenance, instrumentation, or to advance to higher education.
Both courses are offered at different levels, as I've mentioned. For the level 6, the entry requirement is C- and above. For level 5 is C- or D+ and D plain. For level 3 and level 4, level 3 is D- and D- and E. Then level 4 is D plain, and also D- can also join. So we do encourage anybody who is outside there who will still want where to join, come to Siaya National Polytechnic. We have a number of courses at the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. Join us and be one of us. Thank you.
Join our May 2026 intake in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering and start your journey from apprentice to accomplished professional. Ignite your future today at the Siaya National Polytechnic and let your career surge with power. The Siaya National Polytechnic, shaping creativity and innovation.